Hello everyone, myself Venkat. Yes, today I'm going to share intermediates continuous. The previous class is carbocation, carbanion, and carbon free radical is finished. Let's talk about carbenes. What are the carbenes? What are the carbenes? Generally, carbenes are neutral carbon species. Carbenes are neutral carbon species. Neutral carbon species. Carbon containing intermediate. The neutral carbon species, carbon containing intermediates are called carbenes. Neutral carbon species, carbon containing intermediate is called carbenes. Generally, carbenes, carbon with two bond pairs, one lone pair. It contains two bond pairs. And one lone pair. The carbenes are act as electrophile. The carbenes are act as electrophile, means electron deficient. This is the unstable. It is a unstable and highly reactive. Highly reactive. It undergoes sp2 and sp hybridization. It undergoes sp and sp2 hybridization. The carbenes are neutral species. It contains two bond pair, one lone pair. It acts as electrophile. It is unstable. It is a highly reactive. It undergoes sp and sp2 hybridization. See, let's generally how they are produced. Carbenes are produced. The carbenes are produced by the photolysis of diazomethane. The photolysis of diazomethane. How they are generated? The photolysis of diazomethane. See, the diazomethane in presence of ultraviolet or heating. The diazomethane, CH2 double bond N and positive and negative. This is the diazomethane. Diazomethane in presence of ultraviolet rays or at heat to form a carbenes. To eliminate the nitrogen gas. Next is the second method to preparation of carbenes, photolysis of ketones. Ketene. Ketene CH2 double bond C double bond O in presence of ultraviolet rays or heat to form a carbenes to release the carbon monoxide. This is a generation of carbenes. Photolysis of diazomethane and photolysis of ketenes. This is about carbenes. Okay. Next, types of carbenes. Next is the types of carbenes. Types of carbenes. Generally, the carbenes are two types. They are singlet carbene and triplet carbene. singlet carbenes. And the second one is triplet carbene. Carbenes are two types. They are singlet carbenes and triplet carbenes. Let's talk about singlet carbenes. Singlet carbenes. Singlet carbenes means a carbene in which the two non-bonding electrons spin paired is called carbenes. What is carbene? A carbene in which two non-bonding electrons spin paired is called carbenes. What? A carbene in which the two non-bonding electrons spin paired is called as singlet carbene. Is called as singlet carbene. Singlet carbenes. It undergoes sp2 hybridization. It is a bent structure. It shows a diamagnetic property. It shows diamagnetic properties. What is singlet carbene? A carbene in which two non-bonding electrons spin paired is called as singlet carbene. Singlet carbene undergoes sp2 hybridization. It is a bent structure. It shows diamagnetic property. Diamagnetic property. Let's talk about triplet carbene. Triplet carbene. A carbene in which two non-bonding electrons are unpaired and have parallel spin is called triplet carbene. A carbene in which the two non-bonding electrons are unpaired and have parallel spin is called as triplet carbene. Triplet carbene. It undergoes sp hybridization. sp hybridization. It is a linear structure. It shows paramagnetic nature. Singlet means same orbital spin pair. Triplet means a different orbital in parallel spin. That is a triplet carbene. Generally, triplet carbenes are more stable than singlet carbene. See, triplet carbenes are more stable than singlet carbene. This is about carbenes. This is about carbene intermediate. Okay, let's talk about nitrines. Next intermediate is a nitrines. Next one is a nitrines. Nitrines are neutral nitrogen species. Okay, a neutral nitrogen species which have nitrogen bonded to monovalent atom or group are called nitrines. Okay, see other definitions. A neutral monovalent. See, a neutral monovalent species on nitrogen with two pairs of non-bonding electrons on it is called nitrines. What is nitrines? Nitrines are neutral monovalent species, nitrogen with two pairs of non-bonding electrons, and it is called nitrines. Let's see example. See nitrogen, two pairs of non-bonding electrons. Next, nitrogen, two pairs of non-bonding electrons. Nitrogen, neutral pieces, and these are the nitrates. These are the nitrates. See, it contains 6 electrons in outermost shell. 6 electrons in outermost shell. It is also called as nitrogen analog of carbene. It is also called as nitrogen analog of carbenes. Nitrines exist in the singlet and triplet carbene. Nitrines also exist in singlet and triplet states. These are the nitrines. Next one is benzene. Next one is the benzene intermediate, last intermediate. Okay, what is benzene intermediate? See, benzene intermediate. What is the benzene intermediate? Benzene is arine. Benzene arine. Its formula C6H4. It is a 1,2 dihydrobenzene. It is 1,2 dihydrobenzene. And it is a neutral species. Highly reactive. In which its aromatic character is not markedly distributed. The benzene intermediate nucleophilic substitution of aromatic compound. Benzene intermediate in which, say, benzene intermediate in nucleophilic substitution aromatic compound. It is represented by like that. This is a representation of benzene. In all carbons in benzene undergoes sp2 hybridization. All carbons in benzene shows sp2 hybridization. All carbon shows sp2 hybridization. See, benzene which is the benzene orbital structure. See, Benzene generation of benzene. Generation of benzene. Generation of benzene. Generation of benzene. From chlorobenzene. From chlorobenzene. Generation of benzene from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. See, let's see, chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene with liquid ammonia. In presence of liquid ammonia. See, it abstract proton. This bond move this side. NH3. Has a negative charge. So the chlorine is eliminated to form a benzene. To form a benzene. This is the formation of benzene or generation of benzene from chlorobenzene. From chlorobenzene. Okay. Let's see once from carbenes. Carbenes. Carbenes are neutral carbon species. Okay, it undergoes sp2 hybridization, highly reactive. They are formed from photolysis of diazomethane and photolysis of ketenes. Okay, generally carbenes are two types: singlet carbenes and triplet carbenes. Singlet carbenes undergoes sp2 hybridization, bent shape and diamagnetic property. Triplet carbenes are undergoes sp hybridization, linear and paramagnetic. Triplet carbenes are more stable than singlet carbene. Nitrates. Nitrates are neutral nitrogen species. Neutral nitrogen species. A nitrogen with two pairs of non-bonding electrons in it is called nitrates. It contains 6 electrons in the outermost shell. It is also called as nitrogen analogous of carbenes. Nitrogen also exists in singlet carbene and triplet carbene. And benzene. Benzene is a arine. Its formula is C6H4. 1,2 dihydrobenzene. It is a neutral species, highly reactive. It has which aromatic character is not markedly distributed. Benzene intermediate in nucleophilic substitution of aromatic compound. All carbons are benzene ensures sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Okay. This is our class. Thank you.